the other. So if it's yours, fine, it's yours, and we'll continue with the plea. If it's not, then that's fine also. We will not continue with the plea. So, but what I need for you to do is only indicate yes or no, not try to minimize or make excuses or otherwise. It's one or the other as to whether or not there's a factual basis for the plea.
Whew, guys, things get off the rails fast when a defendant tries to explain away years of licensing problems and a crack pipe found in the vehicle. As excuses keep coming and the judge starts asking tougher questions, the courtroom tension only gets worse in this must watch showdown. Subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama for daily uploads. Now let's jump into it.
2826426 A and B.
Right here. Good morning, Your Honor. Neil DeBoy here on behalf of Charles Holt. Mr. Holt, please state your name and the microphone. Charles Holt. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And today is the date scheduled for the arraignment pretrial in these matters. And as to the arraignment counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, my client waives formal reading on both cases and stands mute.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment on both matters. And counsel?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review this matter with Mr. Holt, review the police reports and so forth that are available to him, and what the city attorney resulted in the.
There's no talking in court. Ma'am, there's no talking in court. I'm sorry, counsel.
The result of the discussion, sir, as offered plea on case number 26-426A2, that is possession of drug paraphernalia, and to count B, which is driving with license suspended, revoked, etc. As part of this deal, the old case, that is the one from 2021, would be dismissed.
So the possession of controlled substance on the 26 case and the driving with license suspended case on the 21 case will all be dismissed.
Correct.
All right, counsel, just so you know, there are additional fees on the 21 case, even though the matter will be dismissed.
Yeah, I understand that here.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've gone over your advice and rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights?
Yes.
You also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency?
Yes.
And knowing all of that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
Any immigration issues?
No.
Counsel, if you can please vote your client. Actually, just a moment. As to the charge of possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead?
Guilty.
As the driving license suspended from April 5th of 26, how do you plead?
Guilty.
All right. And so, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Mr. Holt, we recall being in the city of Wyandotte on or about the 5th of April of this year. Yes, I do. At that time, you had an interaction with the Wyandotte police officers. Is that correct? Yes. And at the time, you were in control and operation of a Ford F-150. Is that correct? Yes. And that was on public streets. All right. Yes. At that time, is it true that your driver's license was not valid?
I don't have a Michigan license. I got Arizona license.
Your Michigan license was
Yes.
suspended for revoked. Is that correct?
Okay, only one can speak at a time, sir.
Yes.
So please answer the question that was asked of you.
My license was suspended.
Thank you. And in addition, during that interaction with the officer alleges that you had in your possession a device, some type of a pipe, which is typically used for the consumption of illegal narcotic substances. Do you admit that that was in your possession?
It was inside the truck, not in my possession.
Possession of that
Well,
vehicle.
I was in the vehicle. I was driving the vehicle, yes.
Okay, sir, please answer the question. Just one moment.
Yes.
Sir, I've just stated, only one of us can speak at a time. The recording can only pick up one voice at a time for a clear record. So, your attorney asked you a question. If it's not yours, it's not yours. If it is yours, it's yours. But it has to be one or the other. So, if it's yours, fine, it's yours, and we'll continue with the plea. If it's not, then that's fine also. We will not continue with the plea. So, but what I need for you to do is only indicate yes or no, not try to minimize or make excuses or otherwise. It's one or the other as to whether or not there's a factual basis for the plea.
All right.
So counsel, I'm gonna have you,
Yes, Your Honor.
counsel, I'm gonna have you re-ask your question.
If I may explore it again with you, during that interaction with that officer, they found a crack pipe in the car you were operating, and you were in control of that vehicle, and that was your property, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
I mean, the guy is from Arizona. Unfortunately, that state has a huge problem with crack, cocaine, meth, stuff like that. So I could totally see that being the dude's property. You're coming from Arizona, bud. Be smarter.
All right, and so the court does find the plea as knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to possession of drug paraphernalia and driving with license suspended, dismiss counts A1, which is possession of controlled substance, and the 2021 matter.
Yeah.
And counsel, are you asking for immediate sentencing?
Yes, Your
Well, real quick, they haven't made it clear that the paraphernalia was actually used or not. So I'm really curious on how this one will hold up. Let's keep watching.
Honor.
All right, what would you like the court to know?
Well, here's, I guess, the issue here is, it's not really, I don't think probation is gonna have any effect one way or the other. On the other hand, what he's pled to, the paraphernalia charge, his license situation is, there's got a long history of this, and he has expressed a desire to get his license back. He understands that by pleading to this today, this is only gonna set that back further. So he's got to, before judge, yes, the obvious question, he does have a driver today. She's in a club with him today. I believe it was his sister.
Yes.
Where's your sister?
Blind back there.
Okay,
So, beyond that, is there anything you want to advise the court of?
No. And
I would point out that he has posted a bond of $1,500.
all right. Sir, when's the last time you had a valid driver's license?
1994.
All right, so do you want to have a valid driver's
Oh,
license?
I'd love to. I was in the process of getting it back, and then I the 2000 or the 21 case, which happened, it was COVID. I didn't.
No, it wasn't, sir.
Yes, it
October-
was. I took it back. I was
Oh,
home.
excuse me. COVID started March of 2020.
Yes,
This offense was October of 2021.
yes.
So we are out of COVID. It may be, there may have been maybe the end of COVID, but it wasn't COVID.
I just want to butt in on this, and she is 100% right. 99.9% of the restrictions in Michigan were removed by the end of July of 2021. So by October, she is 100% right. There is very few limitations left over on that. I do also find it weird. If I'm not mistaken, Arizona and Michigan talk. So how this guy could add a suspended license in Michigan and got one in Arizona is completely confusing to me. If you understand that or know why, let me know in the comments. Keep going.
The officer told me when he dropped me off by my mother-in-law's house, we're not taking him because they're not arresting anyone because of COVID protocols.
Okay,
That's what happened in 21, and then I went home to Arizona.
right, but you had a ticket.
Yes,
You're given a ticket, and what did you do with the ticket?
the ticket, it's in a dresser drawer.
Okay,
I
well,
just-
I didn't mean, what did you actually physically do with the ticket? Did you call on the ticket?
No, he told me I'd be getting a notice in the mail. It's what I
So
got
did you
notice
get a notice?
about this court.
Excuse me, did you get a notice in the mail?
No, I did not. My mother, I didn't get nothing.
Okay, so the answer is no.
No,
Did you then call the court to find out when your court date would be?
no, I wasn't in Michigan.
The phone doesn't work in another state?
Well, I forgot about it. I went back to Arizona where I live and
Okay, so you forgot about it.
I forgot, I forgot about it. Honestly, I forgot all about it. It was,
All right, so whose vehicle were you driving this time, sir?
in 21,
Nope, this one, 26.
my mother-in-law's.
Your mother-in-law's.
Yes.
Does she use crack cocaine?
No, she's in a hospital right now. That's why I'm here. But it was in my vehicle and I assume responsibility for it because I can't prove that it wasn't mine. I accept responsibility.
Well, and you just said your mother, it was your mother-in-law's vehicle and she doesn't use crack cocaine.
No, I was driving my mother-in-law's vehicle because she's in the hospital and that's why I had her vehicle. I had to go take my wife to see her.
Sir,
And,
how long have you lived in Arizona?
since, 20,
2020.
yes.
All right. And so, how do we not have your Arizona address, sir?
I gave that to him. I gave him it's on my driver's license I give him. And I can drive in Arizona. I've been doing it for 6 years, but
We have your address, we have an address in Riverview and an address in Southgate.
which my address in Southgate was from back in, over 10 years ago when my mom was alive. I lived with my mom. So I passed, I waited from, then I ended up going back, I go to Arizona to go live with my dad because I got a job opportunity out there.
Okay, well, this also says, sir, that your address was changed on March of 22. It appears to be the Southgate address.
I haven't changed my address in 22. I'm sorry, I don't even have a valid Michigan ID card. It hadn't, that expired when my mom was alive.
All right, interesting, because you indicated the Riverview address on your advice of rights.
Yes, I did. And you look right next to it, it says my primary address is
No,
1435.
I see that, sir. I see that, sir. But why are you putting a Riverview address if you live in Arizona?
Because that's some address that I'm staying at until I can get this taken care of and go home. It's my mother-in-law's house.
If you test right now, sir, what's in your system?
Weed. I smoke weed for my PTSD.
And sir, when's the last time you used marijuana?
This morning. I gotta smoke it. If I don't, I hate the nightmares. I'm a disabled vet. I won't take pills. And my mom already told me, smoke weed is the best thing you can do.
All right, well, first, sir, thank you for your service to our country, but, counsel, I don't know that I can accept this. What time did you use it, your marijuana, sir?
I'm sorry. About 1:30 in the morning. I mean, it was this morning. It was
Okay, so it wasn't just,
It was at 1:30 in the morning.
it wasn't just a couple hours ago.
No,
Are you currently under the influence of marijuana, sir?
no, sir, ma'am. I don't know what the name protocol is. I was told, sir, to speak when I'm speaking to a woman.
Well,
I'm a Marine.
told-
I'm saying, ma'am, I'm sorry.
You're told to call
It's
a
a,
female, sir?
yes, that's what they're calling women officers in the military now. Don't ask me why. I don't agree with it, but that's the new protocols.
Okay, how long have you not been in the military, sir?
It's been 30 years, but that's still, I know I follow on, I've been Marine Corps, freaking site there is. I'm a proud Marine,
Okay, well,
and I serve my country, and some people don't.
when you're correct, some people do not. So, sir, what I'm going to order is this. I'm going to order as to the possession of drug paraphernalia. I'm going to order a $200 fine, $200 cost, crime victim assessment fee of $75, justice system assessment fee of $50. That's a total of $525. As to count B, the driving while license suspended, the court's going to order a $200 fine, $200 cost, crime victim assessment fee of $75, justice system assessment fee of $50, for a total of $525. Sir, why were you driving on April 5th?
Say again, I'm sorry to hear you.
Why were you driving April 5th?
I was going to the gas station to get gas, cigarettes, and pop.
And nobody else could go fill up the car with gas?
My mother-in-law's in the hospital. The wife doesn't have a license, and I do.
You don't.
Well, not here, but I do in Arizona, and I just want, I gotta get her to go take her mom to visit her at the hospital.
Okay, sir,
In a rehab facility,
then, sir,
just,
I can appreciate that you need to go visit someone in the hospital, but neither one of you have the legal right to drive a motor vehicle, or the privilege to drive a motor vehicle. So you have to take another alternate form of transportation.
okay, I don't have a vehicle.
Well, you can't borrow anybody else's either. All right, the total is $1,050. You did post a $1,500 bond. So council, I'm going to have, your client stop at probation as to that matter, not probation, the window, to make sure we have this valid information, for a refund check on the bond balance to be sent back to your client via mail. Sir, I'm sorry, Ally, is, there a warrant fee on the 21 case?
$50.
All right, then there's a $50 warrant fee, so that will be paid out of the bond as well. All right, so stop at the window, sir, make sure we have your appropriate information, and please stop driving
Thank you.
in the state of Michigan.
I'm just so confused how that dude can have a suspended or non-valid license in Michigan and yet have one in Arizona. It's really confusing. But if you want to see more drama like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama, where we upload twice a day, and I'll see you on the next one.